Okay, so by far the theory topics of your chapter electric current to conductors is completed. So here we head on to some numericals. Okay, so now here the first numerical is what? A battery after a long use has an EMF 24 volt and an internal resistance 380 ohms. Calculate the maximum current drawn from the battery, and can this battery drive a starting motor of a car? So now यहाँ पे given quantity is what? EMF, that is E is 24 volt, internal resistances R is equals to 380 ohms. अभी we have this formula for maximum current, which is I, maximum current is given by I maximum, which is equals to E upon R, which is equals to 24 upon 380. So we get the answer as 0.063 ampere. Now here the question is, can this battery drive the starting motor of car? So the answer is no, because the current here we get is very low and this current cannot start the battery of the car. Okay, next question is, a battery of EMF 12 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor. If the current in the circuit is 0.5 A, calculate the resistance of the resistor R and calculate terminal voltage of the battery when the circuit is closed. So now we have to find the internal resistance capital R. So we have, and the given quantities are E is equals to 12 volt, small r, that is internal resistance, is 3 ohms, and I, that is current, is 0.5 ampere. So the formula, we have the formula as V is equals to E minus of IR. Okay, actually the formula is V is equals to E minus of V R, V suffix R. This is terminal potential difference, and small VR is what? Potential difference across the cell. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे वी आर के बदले में आई इन टू आर है ये, ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे v की जगह पे i इंटू कैपिटल आर. सो द फॉर्मूला क्या है? v इज इक्वल्स टू ई माइनस आई इंटू स्मॉल आर, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ कैपिटल v वी कैन राइट i इंटू आर, which is equals to e minus I into small r. So if we rearrange this equation, we get r is equals to e minus small ir upon I. Substituting the values, we get r is equals to 21 ohms. And we have the formula va is equals to ir. We have I, we have v. So the answer is 0.5 into 21 is equals to 10.5 volts. Next is, a silver wire has a resistance of 4.2 ohms at 27 degrees Celsius and resistance of 5.4 ohms at 100 degrees Celsius. Determine the temperature coefficient of resistance. So we have two resistances and two temperatures. R1 is 4.2 ohms and T1 is 27 degrees Celsius, whereas R2 is 5.4 ohms and T2 is 100 degrees Celsius. We have to determine temperature of coefficient of resistance, that is alpha, and alpha is given as R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus T1. Substituting the values, 5.4 minus 4.2 divided by 4.2 into 100 minus 27. And when you solve this equation, you get the value as 3.91 into 10 raised to minus 3 per degree Celsius.